this is going to be a quick tutorial. It's more of an update. So since the last tutorial, I've actually thought of a better idea opposed to having the margin of 20% on the left hand side to push it away from the sidebar. So what we're going to do instead is open up the index CSS, and inside here obviously we've got the global of HTML. Now I'm going to change that. Instead of having it global to the HTML, I'm going to target the ID of root, because everything's going to be inside the ID of root anyway. So if we go into the index CSS, and we'll change that. So to get an ID, you've just got to put a hash, and then we'll just put root. So rather than having the margin left, if we delete that, and we're going to make a grid layout instead. So if we do a grid template for columns, grid template for columns, we'll do 20% and 80%, and then we change the display to grid. And then if we quickly go into our login page and we go to the background, now if we delete the margin, because we don't need any of that, and we set the grid column, and we'll set it to be 1 and 2. Now if we save that and we go into the front end folder and we run that, we should have roughly the same. But whilst that's starting up, the margin is still going to be slightly pushed off the side and top because of the defaults inside the browser. So inside the index CSS, if we add a margin, and we'll do margin of -8 pixels and save that. So now everything is the same, and it will set us up better for the next tutorial when we implement the sidebar and that page itself. So thanks for watching this quick update, and I shall see you in the next series.